Hey, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe of this delicious chicken curry, we're going to start off by taking a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil to this pan, here I'm going to add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. And after that, I'm going to fry this for a period of 4 to 5 minutes until the onions turn to slightly golden brown color. After the onions have caramelized, here you can add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to the dish. And after adding this, here you can fry this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. After frying the ginger garlic paste for about a minute or so, here you can add 2 chopped tomatoes to the dish. And continue to fry this for another 1 minute. After frying the tomatoes for 1 minute, here you can start to add the spices to the dish, starting off with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding all of these spices, you can give this a good mix and let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes start to turn soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes have turned soft and mushy, here you can add 500 grams of skinless chicken to the dish and mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can add 2 tablespoons of curd to the dish and mix this really well once again and let this cook for another 2 minutes. After a period of 2 minutes, here you can add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala powder to this dish. And along with this, here you can also add 1 cup of water and the salt as per taste. After adding all of this, you can mix this once again really well, and after that, you can cover it with a lid and let it cook for a period of 9 to 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, once the chicken has absorbed all of the spices and is cooked in the gravy, here you can add a bunch of coriander leaves to this dish and mix all of this really well, and after that, your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and most importantly, subscribe to this channel by clicking on the channel logo which will pop up right in the middle of the screen. Thank you.